welcome back to On the Frets, and today more add chords. And so today it is going to be the Gadd9 chord. So let's get in here and take a look at this chord. Alright, so for the Gadd9 chord, let's take our middle finger and let's put it on the 6th string of our 3rd fret. Now we're going to jump all the way down here to our G string on the 2nd fret with our index finger, and then our ring finger goes on the high E string on the 3rd fret. And then we're going to strum all 6 strings, but we want to mute out our A string on this one. And there's your Gadd9. I really love these add9 chords. I just think that they are beautiful. And so these are just really cool chords. So once again, you're just going to put your middle finger up here on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Drop your index finger right here on the G string on the 2nd fret. And then get that ring finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret here and strum all 6 strings. Gadd9. Well, alright, there you have your Gadd9 chords. So now you have all kinds of chords under your belt. Hopefully you're liking these. So for more information on this, check out the description below. And with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. See you guys next time.